Hi everyone, this is Jeannie Ellis, also known as Scrapbooking Mama. And today I want to share with you the goodies that I received from Crafters Castle's Challenge blog August sponsor, who is Mama's Treasures. The link will be below in the description box. I got a little excited and I opened ahead of time before I did my reveal, but since I've already done that, let me just show you what I've got. We were each one given an amount to go to her store and order. And so I did order a little bit extra on top of it. But let me show you what I got when I ordered a little extra. I got these little gems. They're little clear gems, and they are just so pretty. They look almost like little bubbles. And I got as far as, in my package as a design team member, I got some peacocks. And I got so excited, I already decorated one of my peacocks to go with what I'm going to be doing my project. And it came out really, really good. I just loved it. I used some metallic paste on it and heated dried it, and then I put some those little hot fix jewels on top, and I just love how she came out. And I put a little Swarovski crystal up here. You might not be able to see that very well, but she's in there. And then I received a package of hangers of 3, and I've already decorated one of those. So are you wondering now what I'm going to be doing? Well, stay tuned. I also ordered these locks, front closure locks, and I'm not really sure what I was going to do with these yet, but I will get that going. I will decide. I also ordered some corners for a box and a package. It comes in a package of 8, so that means you can do 2 of them, or if you only use a couple, you can do more than that. I received gold wired ribbon, and I've already made a bow. I haven't cut it off yet, but I've already made my bow. I received a package of 5 daisies, and I got some lace, some thin lace. It's so pretty. I love it. I also ordered a couple of packages of teacups, charmed, and I put a little Swarovski crystal inside them too. They are just adorable. Isn't that cute? Let's see, I ordered some tassel chains, and they come in a package of 2. This one's silver. I also ordered gold. Oh, that's silver. I apparently cannot tell my colors. I've got some gold somewhere in this mess that I've made over here. I was working on some other things, and I'm pretty good about making messes. So anyway, I've also got gold, and I ordered some pearl buttons. Aren't they pretty? And let's see. I've ordered a package of spoons. I believe they come in a package of 5, either 5 or 6. And I've already put a little Swarovski crystal inside those 2. I'm going to be making some charms. And I also got this little bead here. It's got some crystals in it too. It's a silver and crystal bead. But I love that too. Here's my other package of teacups. I got some, oh my goodness, I forgot I left that open. Some sequins, and they're the iridescent, and they've got little yellows and golds and oranges in it. And I just love the colors on here. They're having a pink color, salmon color, maybe might be the better color to call it, but it's salmon color. And it's got clear iridescent ones. And let's see, tea bags. I ordered some tea bags, a package of them. Quite a few in that package. And they open up, of course, and you can put anything in them. You can put tea. You can put embellishments in here. You can put floral little flowers in here. You can put little bits of lace or something. You can put anything in these tea bags, and they have a little drawstring to them. You got to do it right. little drawstring, and I love that. So I'll be using some of these for my project. So be sure to stay tuned and see what I'm going to be doing. I may make it and then just show you partly on what to do on one of them as a tutorial. I'm not really sure yet because sometimes when I do a project, I just kind of know what I want to do, but then I may change it midway and be inspired a different direction. So stay tuned so you can see what I've done or what I'm going to be doing and how to do something. So anyway, stay tuned and I will see you soon.